Welcome to Toolverse, your #1 source for AI-powered tools, smart automations, and clever software that can save you time and scale your income. Let's say you've built a great product. You've launched a service. You've designed your offer. You're ready to go, and then you realize you need to write the copy. Homepage headline. About section. Features list. Landing page. Sales page. Maybe even a few email flows. And suddenly, the launch comes to a halt. Because writing great copy, the kind that grabs attention, builds trust, and converts readers into buyers, is hard. And unless you're a trained copywriter or spending thousands on one, you're probably stuck staring at a blinking cursor. That's where today's tool comes in. It's called Copy.ai, and it's a complete AI copywriting assistant built specifically to write high-converting website content in minutes. Whether you're building a landing page, crafting a product description, or revamping your sales messaging, this tool makes it fast, natural, and dead simple. Let's break down exactly how Copy.ai works, and why it's quietly powering some of the cleanest, clearest, and highest performing pages on the internet right now. First, the interface. Copy.ai doesn't feel like a blank document with AI stuck on top. It's structured around real business use cases. You can choose from dozens of templates, home pages, product pages, hero headlines, email sequences, ad copy, LinkedIn bios, you name it. You input a few basic details about your product, what it is, who it's for, what problem it solves, and the tool generates complete sections of persuasive, structured copy. Not vague paragraphs. Not generic fluff. Actual, usable web copy. You can generate multiple variations of a headline. You can split test body text. You can choose the tone, professional, friendly, bold, casual, witty, and Copy.ai adjusts the language instantly. You're not just speeding up the writing process. You're elevating the quality of your messaging, while removing the friction of figuring it out alone. Let's say you're building a homepage. You enter your company or brand name. You write a one-sentence description of what you do. You add your target audience. Within seconds, you get 3 different headline options. A subheadline to expand the value prop. A short paragraph explaining what makes your product different. A call to action. Even taglines and one-liner variations for SEO or ads. Then, you can regenerate sections, fine-tune the voice, or merge the best options together. The output doesn't sound robotic, it sounds polished. Now here's where it gets powerful. If you're building out an entire website or funnel, Copy.ai lets you create a full brand voice that's remembered across your projects. So if you generate a homepage today and a features page next week, the tone and rhythm stay consistent. It all feels cohesive, even if you're building it piece by piece. This is ideal for solo founders, course creators, e-commerce brands, or anyone launching something new. You don't need to wait for a copywriter. You don't need to go down a YouTube rabbit hole about funnel psychology. You just need a few inputs, and the tool handles the structure. And if you're an agency or freelancer, Copy.ai can cut your writing time in half. You use it as a starting point. You edit, refine, and deliver faster, without staring at a blank page for 3 hours. Let's talk performance. The copy this tool produces isn't just pretty. It's engineered to convert. It uses proven copywriting frameworks, PAR, problem, agitation, solution, AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action, value stacks, social proof prompts, all under the hood. That means your messaging isn't just clear, it's psychologically persuasive. So whether you're selling digital products, coaching, software, or physical goods, you're tapping into copywriting patterns that work, even if you've never studied them yourself. Now let's zoom out. The real value of Copy.ai isn't just the time it saves. It's the momentum it gives you. Because most launches stall not because the product's bad, but because the messaging never gets finished. People overthink. They wait for the perfect words. They write, delete, rewrite, and second-guess everything. With Copy.ai, you move fast. You write your homepage in one sitting. You launch the sales page before overthinking the CTA. You get the email sequence out the door. You keep shipping and refining later. That's what makes this tool so powerful. It gives builders permission to keep building. It turns writing into a solved problem, so you can stay focused on the offer, the traffic, the conversion, the experience. Let's talk pricing. Copy.ai has a free plan with limited credits and paid tiers that scale with your output. If you're launching a business, creating multiple offers, or managing content for clients, the investment pays for itself fast. Hiring a freelance copywriter for one sales page could cost hundreds, sometimes thousands. Copy.ai gives you dozens of pages, rewrites, and A/B test variations on demand. And unlike a human, it's never too busy. It doesn't need a brief. It doesn't miss deadlines. You click, generate, and ship. So if writing is slowing you down, if you've got a great product with weak messaging, if you're stuck in perfectionism trying to find the right words, let Copy.ai take the weight off. Build the page. Launch the offer. Test the version. Get it live, then optimize later. Because speed creates feedback. And feedback creates clarity. And clarity is what turns browsers into buyers. Subscribe to Toolverse for more discoveries in AI tools, creator automations, and smart systems that help you launch faster, work lighter, and grow with style and speed. We'll see you in the next one.